Hey creators, you are not going to believe what just happened. Microsoft just dropped a complete bombshell in the AI world and I'm still in shock. While everyone else is out here paying $200 a month for OpenAI's Sora, $95 for Runway, or $35 for Pika Labs with limited generations by the way, Microsoft just went. Here's our version of Sora. It's 100% free. Unlimited generations, photos, and videos. Available right now. No catch, no subscription, just pure AI video generation magic. And wait till you see the results. What is Microsoft's Sora? Let me break it down. Microsoft quietly launched this free AI video tool inside their Bing mobile app, and it is next level crazy. Every single video you're seeing right now on screen was generated using this tool. The realism is insane. The details are crisp. The movement is shockingly human-like, and best of all, you don't pay a single cent. How to access Microsoft's free Sora? Alright, let's get you in step by step. Super simple. Step 1. Download the Bing search app from either the App Store or Google Play. Right now, it's only available on mobile Android and iOS, but a web version is coming soon. Step 2. Open the app and sign in with your Microsoft account. Don't have one? Take 60 seconds to create. Go do it. Step 3. Once you're in, look at the bottom right of the screen. Tap that menu icon and select Video Creator. Boom, you're now in Microsoft Sora. Using the tool. Here's what you'll see. A clean, simple interface. No subscriptions, no pop-ups, no confusing options. Just a prompt box, a couple of settings like aspect ratio and duration, and that's it. Pure creativity. I typed in, a 22 years old woman looking at the camera and smiling. Hit create. Wait 1 or 2 minutes. And here's what I got. Look at this movement. The hair bounce, the facial expressions, it feels so real. You wouldn't know it's AI unless someone told you. Now let's try another prompt. A peaceful sunset with glowing orange skies. The result? The lighting, the mood, the warmth, it's pure visual poetry. And the last one, fashion model walking confidently down a runway. Wait a few seconds. And look at this, the catwalk strut, the flowing dress, the natural movement. Tell me that's not high-end production. Image generation. Now, fun fact, this tool also does images. It uses DALL-E 3, so I tested it with a beautiful woman looking at the camera. The result? Decent, not amazing. If you want image quality like Midjourney or Ideogram, you're better off sticking to those. But it's a bonus feature, and for quick ideas it does the job. Limitations to know. Okay, before you go crazy with prompts, here's what you should know. Right now, the video duration is limited to 5 seconds. Aspect ratio is 9:16, perfect for Reels, Shorts, and TikTok. But honestly, most viral short-form videos are under 15 seconds anyway, so this fits right in. And yes, no desktop version yet, but it's coming soon. So yeah, Microsoft just changed the game. Free, unlimited, realistic AI videos. It's wild. Try it yourself. Explore your wildest ideas. Got crazy prompts? Drop them in the comments. I'll test them out in the next video. Like what you saw. Hit that like button. Subscribe for more AI tools and turn on the bell. Catch you in the next one. And as always, happy creating, my friends.